My name is Lex Law of the Daily Blunt, and we are here at Wilfrid Laurier University to cover the Faith Goldy talk today. It's a cold day out today. We're not sure how many people are going to attend. The event is inside, but we are expecting some leftist protesters and maybe even some Antifa. Hopefully no violence or anything today, but it should be a really interesting event, and we're going to talk to some people inside, and maybe we'll get a chance to talk to Faith Goldy as well. So, thanks for tuning in.
Oh my god. Let's see what these idiots are saying. Oh shit, it's actually happening!
This currently is called Canada. Apparently, free speech does have curves on it in this state. That's right! You're not allowed to use free speech.
Let's hear this.
Ways that promotes ongoing genocide.
So this is the turnout for part of the turnout for the event. You see a lot of signs that say "No Nazis at Laurier."
Okay.
And I wasn't sure there was any Nazis being invited here tonight, so we're gonna see what goes down. Should be interesting.
Holy shit, Antifa.
Look at these guys.
Holy shit!
Are you serious?
Got some revolutionaries here.
We are confirmed Antifa has arrived at the venue. So right next to us we have a group of people saying that they want to shut down free speech right next to the Veritas Cafe, so I thought that was kind of ironic.
Down intellectual and emotional and the physical labor of challenging white supremacists onto the people who are most oppressed.
Communists are
We
following
got
our
some
location.
communists here.
Following our location.
Look at this. Hey guys.
Let's conduct a test. Let's see if we go over there if they follow us.
Alright,
Let's see if that's what their game plan is.
that'd be funny. We can go hang out with our friends in blue if we have to.
No to the cops. Get cops over there in case these fuckers try to do it.
Yeah.
Talk there, dude.
What did she even say? She literally didn't even say a single coherent point. It was just buzzwords. Collective space.
Laurier student, coming up here and spitting truth. I just thought of something really, really good. We don't want feta, feta, feta. We don't want feta, feta, feta. We want freedom, freedom, freedom.
You don't want to let Faith Goldy have freedom. Come speak
A
here.
bit of a bad day. No, a bit of a
So they're talking about freedom. That they're chanting for freedom. However, they don't want to allow Faith Goldy and other people they disagree with to come speak here. So it doesn't sound like freedom to me.
I'm going to call it something small, but that means a lot. It's close about hummus. It's something small.
So they don't like talking about racial stereotypes, but the ethnic man is going to do a poem about hummus.
No matter the recipe, and asked me to buy some hummus for breakfast, and I tried really hard to be confident walking into the shop. Settled in the line casually amongst older and taller men. And when it was my turn to order, I tried to speak up.
Not tall enough, sorry.
What? Words.
Did you just call me racist? What did I do? I got a camera.
About the first
What?
time I shared some falafel with friends after school as a teenager, got in trouble for being late.
Say hi to the internet, guys.
For a shawarma
Let's get some commentary here. So I'm trying to record this speaker, this enlightened speaker, and these people won't let me record it for some reason.
I'm 4 feet tall, I'm 5'8", and I can't, because I did not grow up here. And when I packed all of my life into a suitcase that was bursting at the seams and settled in Canada, I brought my recipes with me. I brought who I am.
Can I get a shot of that? No Nazis at Laurier?
There you go. How about that one?
It's a little too close.
You guys don't like the press covering your own event. You guys don't like press coverage for your own event.
I can't believe they're actually doing this. This is the funniest thing I've ever seen.
And to my tongue, learned the curves of another language until I started writing.
So they have no comment.
Okay, no comment. Let's get this sign.
Giving them coverage of their own event.
Sweater weather. So my mannerisms changed to remold the mannerisms. And I still have
I'm sorry, what?
No, just letting you know that there's a policy that protects you.
And while that peaceful review
Oh, protect us. Okay.
Oh yeah,
That's true.
I'm very aware of police in the area.
While your guests will give you
Yeah, thanks, bud.
really are not having anti-communist Facebook.
Look at this.
This is often his life. Add roasted
We got some friends behind us. Don't worry, man.
Insane.
But until you lose everything you know about the world, you have to learn new things to sort of country across the planet. Until you lose some of who you are to come closer to fitting in.
I can't. I'm like at a loss for words.
Yeah,
Me too.
These are the things you see on the internet, but it's kind of strange when you see it in real life. Yeah.
It's like a weird form of derangement. So you guys are against Nazis, right? Didn't we kill all the Nazis in the 40s? Like in
So,
45?
who is a Nazi that is coming to Laurier that we're protesting?
No answer.
Is
Okay,
Faith
I'm just gonna go over here and see if I get harassed.
I want you to know that some of the refugees that end up coming to Canada left their homes.
Oh, look.
as a Canadian airport.
Okay, you're getting dangerously close to harassment, just so you know. For the whole world to see.
Do you believe in free speech?
Look at this.
We'll bring 25,000 students.
Look at this.
At the same time,
Do you believe in freedom of expression in Canada?
And the clip that was on there, they're all connected.
Not getting too far with
Nobody
this.
told me that the person we'll hear I'm speaking to is mute.
Look at this. So you won't show your face, but you'll show the sign.
Do you believe in freedom of speech?
I'm going to get to the second poem. This poem is also leading in
It's like, what do you think we're doing here?
We're just trying to have a discussion.
about being a drag.
Who at Laurier is a Nazi that you're protesting?
I forgot the first word. I think
No comment from the protesters.
No, it's just the weirdest shit. It's like we didn't even do anything. What?
We're here giving them coverage of their own event.
Yeah, like what?
They don't want their event filmed.
Am I the only one here with a camera? Like, is that what this is?
I think so.
That is friggin' weird, man. Like, look at this. Look at this. She's like my follower now. Check it out. I have a disciple. Let's see what she does.
They're gonna follow you everywhere you go.
Maybe. Oh, you know what? Let's do this. Here, follow me. Follow me. No Nazis at Laurier, woman.
Let's do it.
Follow me. Let's play a game. It's called Lose Some Fucking Weight.
Windows overlooking infinite suburbia.
I can do this all fucking day.
And take. So instead, take me where my
Hey,
name
buddy.
is my name.
This is like by far the weirdest thing I've ever seen. Like I've seen
Yeah.
this shit online. Never did I think I would actually see this in my hometown. You know, like this is crazy. They have no response to anything. Like they don't want to answer any questions. You know, we're trying to film their own event. They're gonna get positive coverage from this.
Yeah.
They don't want us to film their own event. It's like, and they accuse us of being fascist, shit like that.
Look at this.
Untweeted capital.
Look at this.
He says, come see
This
me
guy here
every
is
4
following
months.
me around.
We have followers.
And your English is
Say hi to the
good.
camera.
Fixing one, you'd fix the other.
Let's see if my new little friend follows me around.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, he is. He is.
Oh, is he?
Yeah, he's following me. Camera's on him.
Nice. Okay. Yeah, Morgan.
Stick with the group.
I'm just waiting for you guys to catch up.
Yeah, for sure. Lead the way.
I got this. Here it is.
Oh, nice. So they're going which way?
This way.
That way's in. Okay.
Yeah.
So someone pulled the fire alarm. Classic technique. This is what they do every time. So everybody's clearing out. So the line has gotten smaller. So we're gonna move in and see if we can actually get a glimpse of Faith Goldy. Were you guys inside? No, we couldn't get in.
Yeah, neither could we.
Pulled the fire alarm. That's fucked up. And outside they're talking to freedom.
Yeah, apparently they all had people with cards. I mean, well, they pulled the fire alarm, but now the cops are locking the doors. Like, that's not. Like when the fire's going on, like I don't lock the doors.
Yeah, no, that's ridiculous.
Like I asked the cop why he was locking the doors, and he said, "Well, the fire alarm got pulled," and I said, "Are you trying to lock in the fire?" He just said, "I don't want to discuss the building protocol with you." I mean, I don't. It's not going to lock in the fire.
That's fun. So more drama unfolds here at the Faith Goldy speech. I'd like to get a glimpse of her. I want to see her. But it looks like we're gonna have to spend our time with the Antifa.
She's definitely got
Cover them.
security, eh?
Oh,
Like, I hope she's got some armed guys, man. You never know what these rabid leftists are gonna do. Is it illegal?
Instruction of my superiors, I'm asking if you please all make your way to the street. Only for safety, please, until we can determine the cause of the alarm.
Will someone be legally responsible for this? Held responsible?
I don't know the source of the alarm, sir.
Okay.
If everyone could please make their way out of the building.
Absolutely. Yes.
So now they are wasting taxpayer dollars.
Wasting taxpayer dollars.
Calling up by pulling the fire alarm. The fire department actually showed up. So.
Yeah, look. How much did that cost?
Oh, I gotta get shots of this, man.
Public resources, but obviously they could be fighting real fires, and here they are because
Wasting
of
taxpayer
wasting
money.
time because of a controversial
Okay, you
event.
can go home.
Date, we are here with Faith Goldy and friends.
Man, how serendipitous.
That's crazy, man. Right there.
Oh no, it's funny.
Going to like
Talk here, man.
Dude. Woo! We return to the rallying point.
That's Lindsay Shepherd.
Yep. I'm gonna get close as I can. Oh, these guys got the right idea. You guys are smart.
yeah.
Just don't fall, it's slippery.
Many of you reached out to me over Twitter. I know several of you are not from this area. They traveled in a great, great way. The
Speak up!
given to the Iroquois Alliance from the British people for their great servitude within the American Revolution. Give it back! They sold it back quite legally to the royalists. I'm going to keep this very brief just because I love you all, even if some of us disagree, but I don't think anyone is going to and mark my words, I will come back and I will give that message. Media, you can reach me at faithgoldy@gmail.com. I'm happy to from there. Now, my friends and I are going to kick off for the evening. And again, thank you both so very much for coming out this evening.
Woo!
Right on.
So we got to meet Faith Goldy. She was like 5 feet from me. We said hi, and the whole thing got shut down. They pulled the fire alarm, and I don't know, man. This is crazy. It's kind of what we expected to happen, but it was about 25 minutes. 25 minutes before the whole thing got shut down, and Faith had to leave. And we have her little speech there that she just said she will be back. She's gonna come back again. So Daily Blunt will be here. It's been an eventful evening, and holy shit, that's all I can really say, guys. Lex Law, signing off.